Hey guys, welcome back. So I tried to jack up my Mustang here, and I was having a lot of trouble because I couldn't figure out a spot where to put the floor jack. And well, come to find out, I'm actually missing something. I'm missing the engine cross member that actually goes right about here. It doesn't exist in my car, so we need to install one. And so I picked one up, and it should be a pretty easy install. But what my cross member has or includes is integrating the lower control arm. So it's a little bit different from the factory cross member that came with the vehicle originally, which just bolts to the frame over here and over here. But what this one does, it integrates, like I said, the lower control arm. So we're going to take apart or unbolt this section here and over here. And yeah, it should be pretty easy. So let's get started. Okay, so first off, I need to remove this nut and bolt here because I'm going to replace that with new provided hardware with a new engine cross member. Okay, so now I'm going to remove the other bolt and nut to the other side of the vehicle. Alright, so that should be all the hardware that we need to remove. So now what we're going to do is go ahead and fit the new engine cross member and get it bolted up. Alright, so what we're going to do is put in a new bolt to get everything lined up. Now it does come with a spacer because it's gonna, which goes over the bolt that goes in between the new engine cross member and the bracket holding the lower control arm. So we need to make sure we include or add that little spacer. And then insert the new washer and new bolt. Now we're going to go ahead and add the new bolt provided in the kit for the cross member that attaches to the frame. Now we're not tightening anything down yet, we're just getting everything in place, and we'll tighten it down at the end. Now we're going to go ahead and add the bolt to the other side of the vehicle. Now we're going to add the other bolt that attaches to the frame. Alright, now we just have to tighten it all down. Now tighten down the last side, or at least the left side in my case. Alright guys, that should be it. That was a fairly easy install for this new engine cross member here. So this is view from the passenger side, so you can see the connection of how it integrates the lower control arm So that, in theory, should be a lot better than the factory. So yeah, as you can see how that connection is right through there. And then of course that's the factory location for the engine crossmember connection right there. And then of course this is the driver's side connection here. Again, integrating lower control arm. But yeah, it's a pretty beefy engine crossmember. So highly recommend this engine crossmember. Picked it up from CJ Pony Parts. So now I have a spot right here that I could jack the vehicle up, because it was definitely missing before. But yeah, there it is. Again, easy installation. It didn't even take that long. Just a couple of bolts and that's it. So with that, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, if you found it helpful, please sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Catch you guys in the next one. See ya.